Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study kanji properly. To truly master kanji, begin by learning them in context, within actual words and phrases, rather than in isolation. Prioritize the 2,136 Joyo kanji, which are essential for daily Japanese. Understanding radicals, the building blocks of kanji, will significantly help you recognize patterns and decipher meanings more effectively. This foundational approach sets you up for success. A crucial technique is using a spaced repetition system, or SRS, to review kanji just before you forget them. This maximizes retention with minimal effort. Beyond flashcards, immerse yourself in Japanese by reading books, articles, and listening to native speakers. This exposure reinforces kanji in natural settings. Additionally, actively practice writing kanji by hand. This physical act deeply embeds them into your memory. Actively apply your kanji knowledge by reading native Japanese materials every day. Start with simple news articles or children's stories, gradually moving to more complex texts. Writing short sentences or paragraphs using the kanji you've just learned helps solidify your understanding and usage. Furthermore, engage with Japanese media like manga, anime, or dramas to see kanji in real-world conversational contexts. Consistency is paramount for long-term kanji mastery. Aim to dedicate at least 15 minutes every single day to your study, even on busy days. Regular review of previously learned kanji is vital to prevent them from fading from memory. Set realistic and achievable goals, perhaps learning 5 to 10 new kanji each week, to maintain momentum and build confidence over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.